we're going to test the smoothie button on the machine today. And then I'm going to have a taste test to see whether I can make it or not.
Please never make this again.
I'm going to tell you right off, I am making a couple substitutions, which
A lot!
may or may not work. I am reading the recipe. Seat glass pitcher on the base of the Instant Pot. Check! Add all ingredients in the order they are listed, starting with the milk and topping with the frozen fruit. 2.5 cups of almond milk, and this is the almond milk that I made with the Instant Ace Plus blender. Ooh, that's a lot of sugar. That's a lot of sugar. All right, let's see if that tip works about pan spray. It calls for spinach, but I'm not supposed to have spinach, so I'm subbing it for a vegetable that I cannot pronounce or spell.
Arugula.
Thank you. Now I'm adding baby kale. Whoops. It asks for 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger, optional. Not feeling that adventurous. So, if I choose to use it, I will use it from my spice rack instead of fresh. What I'm going to do is just, it says 1 teaspoon. I'm just going to like
Wing it.
sprinkle. So it's like a pinch or dash or frozen mango. This is 1.5 cups on top. Well, there's a problem with the frozen peaches. My grocery store didn't have any. They were sold out of almost all of the frozen fruits. So we're going to make it with some blueberries, with the caveat of these blueberries have been in my freezer for a very long time. So don't know how well it's going to work. And this is 1.5 cups of blueberries, plus some frozen chunks, because it was sat in the freezer too long. Secure and lock lid, choose Smoothie Program. Smoothie. Oh, it says that it's going to last for 1 minute and 38 seconds.
You can actually smell the brushes in the motor. That's a high-end motor.
All right. You ready?
I love it, dear. It tastes awesome.
I think it needed more.
It's not horrible. You can really taste the leafy greens.
Yes, you can.
Is that as positive as I could have said that?
I think it needed more blending.
I don't think blending would have helped that. I mean, it's blended well. I'm not really getting any chunks, but it is a superfood smoothie, so it's supposed to be good, filled with greens.
We're just not green eaters.
I'm a meatitarian. It's a lifestyle choice. Okay, there was a chunk.
That's what I mean.
I got a piece of my tooth. Now the question is, the peaches have made it.
It probably would have been better with the peaches. But the peaches aren't frozen yet.
We do have enough stuff to, well, we may need more almond milk.
We won't. I can just water it down a little bit. Because I probably have 2 cups. I can just add a 1/4 cup of water.
Of course, then you're altering the flavor of the test. I mean, it's a better way of eating salad. It made the salad suck less.
The question, though, is can she make it or not?
Well, we didn't pour it out. I'm betting you're going to tell me.
This is better or worse than the almond pulp crackers?
You made them, dear. They were both wonderful.
You lie. No, this is much, much better than the almond pulp crackers.
I mean, again, it was not horrible.
We're going to make it again, but we're going to make it with peaches.
I'll be working that day.
Nope.
Yeah, it was not horrible.
And by that, I'm still drinking it.
Yeah.
And for me...
Yeah, usually by now she's already secretly poured it out off camera.
So, it makes smoothies.
Yeah, it was not very frozen. And I don't know... I mean, to me, I have never seen any blender make a smoothie unless you just had a crap ton of frozen stuff that it actually came out kind of frozen. Still picking...
But she made it.
Still picking leafy greens out of my teeth.
Alright, keep watching to see if the peaches made this better.
I won't be here that day.
I'll be here. So what I did was took a can of peaches and rinsed them off and put them individually on a baking sheet with parchment paper and froze them because it called for frozen peaches and we did not have any frozen peaches. Alright, it wants 1.5 cups of frozen mangoes, 1.5 cups of frozen peaches. Smoothie. Or not. Well, hello. Maybe it needs the Oh, I meant to hit pause. Let's try it again.
I think maybe this time it's too thick.
It's not actually blending.
Right, it's too thick. I dare say you might even just run it again.
And then do a little stir. of that. What if I do a pulse? I mean, that looked better. So, should I do it one more time or just let it go?
I'd say at this point, let's let it go.
What we did was smoothie setting, but it was too thick, so put a little more liquid in, and then we pulsed it for, you saw, 40 seconds. That actually made more than we did yesterday.
Much more frozen.
Oh, this is better.
But it came out very unsmoothie-like.
Brain freeze. Woo, brain freeze. But this one's actually not bad.
I can still taste the greens, but it's not as powerful as it was. Specifically baby arugula, because that was all they had.
Well, considering it asked for baby spinach, baby arugula is a good substitution.
There we go. I also got baby kale.
2 tablespoons of honey. I lied. I'm going to go do this over the sink. I've heard that if you use it and you put in something sticky that it will come out easier. You're not even looking at the... You can't see you.
Oh God, that hurts. Okay, now I got the ankle.
Then the almond pulp flour, the almond pulp cookie, with
You got the ceiling with that one. I mean, I don't know if more blending in any blender would have gotten that green stuff any smaller than it was.
That's true.
For us personally, my only request is that please never make this again. It was kale and arugula. Maybe if we added bacon, it wouldn't be so bad.